Hello friends, welcome back to Novita Creations. Today I am telling exam style averages from table. This question you can find for 4 or 5 marks in exam. The number of pens in each people's pencil case in a classroom has been counted. The results displayed in a table. Number of pens 0. Number of peoples. We can put this as a frequency as well. So, number of pens 0, 1, 1, 8. 8 people have 1 pen and 3 people have 2 pens. 4 people have 3 pens. 5 people have 4 pens. 2 people have 5 pens. Work out the total number of pens in a classroom. So, how can we work out total number of pens in a classroom? So, here what we need to do here, we need to add another column to find out total number of pens in a classroom. Number of pens times frequency. So, 0 times 1, 0. 1 times 8, 8. 2 times 3, 6. So, 3 times 4, 12. 4 times 5, 20. And 5 times 2, 10. So, this is number of pens in a classroom. We need to add all of them. 8 plus 6, 14. 14 plus 12, 26. 20, 46. 8 plus 6, 14. 14 plus 12, 26. 26 plus 20, 46. Plus 10, 56. So, total number of pens in a classroom is 56. Write down the model number of pens in a pencil case. So, we need to find model number. Model number means mode. Mode is most common number. So, how many people have more? Most common number. So, here mode is 8. So, 8 pens have 8 people have 1 pen. So, our mode is 1. Because 8 people have mode. 8 people have 1 and most common number is 8. If you are in doubt, you just keep them as a data like 0, 1, 1, 1, 3, 2, 5, 6, 8. You can put this information as like this as well. Some people use this technique as well. This is the pens in a classroom. So, if you see here, 1 is the most common number. So, our model number is 1. Work out the mean number of pens in a pencil case. Now, how do you find mean number? Then you must have to add up these column frequency 1 plus 8, 9, 9 plus 3, 12, 12 plus 4, 16, 16 plus 5, 21, 21 plus 2, 23. So, we need to number of total pens divided by frequency of people. So 56 divided by 23. So 56 over 23. So our mean is 2.4. This is the way we will solve this type of question. Work out the range number of pens in a pencil case. So pens, we need to find our range from this table here. So 5 minus 0, 5. So range is 5. I am explaining again. This question. So the given number of pens and the given number of pupils. Work out the total number of pens in a classroom. When we work out the total number of pens, we need to write number of pens times frequency of people. So I did 0 times 1 equal to 0, 1 times 8 equal to 8, 2 times 3 equal to 6, 3 times 4 equal to 12, 4 times 5 equal to 20, 5 times 2 equal to 10. And I added all of them to find total number of pens in a classroom. So I got 56. Write down the model number of pens in a pencil case. To find out model number, I written this data as a original data like this. Some people use this method. Some people usually they can find out 8 is the highest number in the frequency and only one pen 8 people have. So this is the mode. So 1 is the mode. And work out the mean number of pens in a pencil case. Then I added up number of pupils and I took total pens divided by number of pupils, total number of pupils. So I got 56 over 23 equal to 2.4 is the mean. And work out the range number of pens in a pencil case. So pens list is here. So 5 minus 0 will give you 5. So this is the range. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching Novita Creations. Please subscribe, like, share, comment Novita Creations. I will see you soon with another useful exam style questions.